Baking cookies is a fun activity for some, and for others, it can be a profession. Regardless of your intent, backing with the best cookie press will allow you to create custom shapes rather than plain round cookies. We've researched and discovered 8 top-rated cookie press, as well as a couple you may want to avoid. And now for Freshness.com reviews of the 8 best cookie press plus 2 to avoid. Coming in at number 1. OXO Good Grips Cookie Press Disc Set. After looking at numerous options from the brand and on the market at the moment, we found the best OXO cookie press to be the OXO Good Grips Cookie Press with Disc Set. This is a complete kit that comes with 12 different discs that are easily inserted into the end of the cookie press to help you create various shapes when it comes to baking delicious cookies. The kit also includes a convenient storage case, giving you the ability to store the discs when they're not in use safely. The press features a non-slip design to allow for steady dispensing of the cookie dough, while the lever has been designed with ease of use in mind. In addition to the main kit, the company also offers 3 different disc sets that can be purchased separately. Coming in at number 2, Marcato Made in Italy Atlas Deluxe Biscuit Maker Cookie Press. If you're looking for the best Marcato cookie press, then you should definitely take a look at the Marcato Atlas Deluxe Biscuit Maker Press. This is one of the most attractive cookie presses that we have seen. The product is made in Italy, which means it has been manufactured with some of the highest quality materials out there. The result is an effective cookie press that is durable and will last for several years. The cookie press is available in various colors, including black, copper, green, and pink. A silver option is also available. In addition to the main cookie press that is included with the purchase, this product also comes with 20 discs that have been made from heavy-duty materials. Coming in at number 3, Cookie Press Kit by DKSTKitchen. We looked at various options on the market and found the best professional cookie press to be the Cookie Press Kit by DKSTKitchen. This is a truly remarkable product that is made from a high-quality, heavy-duty stainless steel material. The tube is made from glass to ensure you can easily see how much cookie dough is left in the press. The design of this cookie press was recently upgraded to allow 25% more cookie dough to be placed inside of the dispenser. Apart from including the cookie press, the kit also comes with 25 different discs, including several seasonal themed options to ensure you have the right shapes for any occasion. The kit also comes with a useful storage unit, as well as a list of cookie recipes. Looking to learn more about the best cookie press in this review? View the links in the description section and click to learn more. Coming in at number 4, Kuhn Rikon Clear Cookie Press. Even though the Kuhn Rikon Clear Cookie Press was not specifically made for cheese, we find that this is probably the best cookie press for cheese straws that you are going to find on the market right now. This is a complete kit that offers you the actual cookie press, as well as additional accessories, such as 14 steel discs that are unique to the kit. The cookie press is available in both a clear color and a red color. Apart from including various steel discs, the kit also comes with 6 nozzles that can be used for icing and decorations. This kit also includes a storage box. Coming in at number 5, Wilton Comfort Grip Cookie Press by Wilton. According to all the research we have done, the Wilton Comfort Grip Cookie Press is the best Wilton cookie press that is on the market. The cookie press measures 22 centimeters in height and provides adequate space for cookie dough to ensure you do not have to refill while preparing your cookies continuously. This is also a complete kit that comes with 12 different discs. The discs in this kit are all made from a high-quality plastic material. There are many different types of discs included, including ones that represent certain occasions throughout the year, such as Halloween and Christmas. This particular cookie press has been designed to be easy to clean. It cannot, however, be placed in the dishwasher. Coming in at number 6, Best Professional Cookie Press Kit with 13 metal stainless steel cookie press discs and 8 icing tips. If you're looking to bake cookies for more than just a few friends, then you may want to consider looking at the Best Professional Electric Cookie Press, or simply a professional option that will last for a considerably longer time, even with frequent use. The Super Kitchen Professional Cookie Press Kit might be the perfect option for you. This kit comes with quite a large number of accessories, including a cookie press that has been designed with your convenience in mind. The kit includes a storage box, as well as a total of 13 stainless steel discs that will make it quick and easy to bake cookies in various shapes. Additionally, the kit also includes 8 icing nozzles for quickly and easily decorating cakes and cupcakes. Coming in at number 7, Cookie Press Good Grips Cookie Press Storage Case by HGHMLIFE. The Cookie Press Good Grips Cookie Press by the HGHMLIFE brand is another excellent option for anyone looking to buy a press that will offer them with an easy and convenient way to make cookies, without breaking the bank, of course. This kit includes a cookie press that has been designed in such a way to offer you a better and more comfortable grip while dispensing your cookie dough onto a baking sheet. It also comes with many additional accessories, such as 16 different discs made from durable plastic. Several icing tips are also included to help you decorate other baked goodies. Coming in at number 8, Cuisinart CTG00CP Cookie Press with 18 discs and 6 decorating tips. And finally, the best cookie press, after doing a lot of research and testing, would be the Cuisinart CTG00CP Cookie Press. This kit offers you true value and comes with everything you need to make cookies at any time. And everyone will be impressed by the different creative shapes that your cookies are in. This cookie press includes more shapes than most other kits. A total of 18 discs are included to ensure you have many different cookie shapes to choose from while baking. The kit also includes 6 tips that can be used to make icing a breeze. Finding this review educational and entertaining? If so, please like this video and leave a comment below with your favorite cookie press. Click the subscribe button and tap the notification bell to receive fresh weekly video updates. And now for the Freshness.com cookie press to avoid. Avoid Baker's Secret Cookie Cutter Set. We have introduced you to the top options on the market when it comes to buying cookie presses, but now we want to look at the worst cookie press on the market. After we did our research, we found the Baker's Secret Cookie Cutter Set to be a particularly bad choice. This is probably one of the cheapest options you will find, for a very good reason. The materials used in this press are not durable or high quality. It also seems like the discs do not provide as accurately shaped cookies as compared to the options on the market that come with stainless steel discs. Avoid Stainless Steel Cookie Press Gun with Easy Grip Trigger Handle by Saken. If you want to make perfect cookies, then we suggest you also avoid this cookie press. The Saken stainless steel cookie press gun does come with an easy grip feature and a couple of discs to help you create different cookie shapes, but the overall quality and design are not up to standard with other options we have included in this review post. The discs also seem to be much thinner than competing kits on the market, and the holes that have been cut into them are not perfectly smooth. This can lead to cookies that do not come out as you might expect them to. You should expect a lot of deformed cookies when you do decide to opt in for this cookie press. And now for the Freshness.com final thoughts on buying the best cookie press. When you are planning to bake cookies, one of the biggest challenges is usually getting them into the perfect shape. By buying the best cookie press of 2020, you will give yourself an opportunity to bake cookies in many different shapes and be able to proudly present your cookies to guests, to your family, or even at a party. Did you find this review educational and entertaining? If so, please like this video and leave a comment below with your favorite cookie press. Click the subscribe button and tap the notification bell to receive fresh weekly video updates.